In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Credit Karma account. So once you're on their website over here, what you want to do is go up here, top right, where it says login, and then you want to press that. And in case you want to recover your account, you want to click over here where it says can't log into your account, try another way. So just press on try another way. And from here, you are now inside the account recovery option. So it says find your account, enter the email address connected to your Credit Karma account. So you have to put in your email address and then press continue. But in case you don't know your email address, you can press over here where it says forgot email. And then you can find your email address on your Credit Karma account and you can put in different things over here and they will help you out. So you can simply put in your first name, your last name, your birth year, and your social security number, okay? Now, also, it says over here, information is secured with encryption, so you're good to go. Don't worry, you can just put that in and then press continue, and they will tell you your email. Now, from that, you'll then be able to come eventually to a website, which is this one over here. So the reset password, then you will have to put in a new password once you find your email, and then re-enter that password, and then press update, and your email and password will be saved, so your password will be changed, and you have successfully recovered your account, and you'll be able to start using it back again. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.